Study and settle in Japan, the land of rising sun. Technologically highly developed nation. Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. Information technology field is in high demand, earning more than double the median annual wage for all other occupations. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects growth in IT occupations at more than 15% from 2020 to 2032. About 377,500 openings are projected each year. IT professionals make higher average salary than the average across all jobs. Employment opportunity with multinational companies across the globe. Welcome to admissions for B.Tech CSE from Japan in English medium, B.Tech Computer Science course specialties. Artificial Intelligence, Big Data, Software Engineering, Computer Science and Technology, Network Engineering, Internet and Things Engineering, Virtual Reality Technology. Duration is 4 years, 2 years in China and 2 years in Japan. The first 2-year study is in China at famous Dalian Newsoft University of Information, ranked 71st among world top 100 universities. Dalian Newsoft University of Information is established in the year 2000 with the approval of Ministry of Education, China. Dalian Newsoft University of Information has 20,000 students intake capacity per year. During first 2 years study, students complete N4 level Japanese language proficiency for Japan visa requirement. In third year, transfer is made to National Top University in Japan. Third and fourth year studies is in the National Top University of Japan. Final degree is awarded by Japanese University. Unique features. Part-time job is officially permitted in Japan. Earn while you learn. Government and private scholarships for fees waiver up to 100%. Assured final year job in campus placement and job fairs. Graduates of B.Tech CSE on work visa for 3 years will obtain PR. An established career with pay scales matching with US. Japan is presently facing huge manpower shortage. The Daily News reports sharp decline of labor force due to aging population in Japan. There is requirement of 34 lakh people by 2030 and 1.10 crore by 2040. Japan is looking to resource their shortage with foreign workers. The major global recruitment companies project golden period for IT jobs in Japan. Japan's AI market is forecast to undergo explosive growth. Japan aims to achieve a sustainable future through coexistence with AI. Japan is active in the AI field across government, industry and academia. Japan is aiming for a sustainable future through coexistence with AI. Study B.Tech CSE in Japan for a bright future. Eligibility: 12th pass, any group. Mac Tech Edu, an enterprise of Medico Abroad Consultants. Contact 9705055545.